A function fx is said to be of class A if it is sectionally continuous in every finite interval for x greater than equal to 0. Second, it is of exponential order gamma as x tends to infinity. Laplace transform of certain elementary functions. Since integral 0 to infinity e raised to minus px x raised to n dx is equal to minus x raised to power n e raised to minus px upon p between the limits 0 and infinity plus 1 by p integral 0 to infinity and x raised to n minus 1 e raised to minus px dx. This is equal to minus 1 by p limit x tending to infinity x raised to n upon e raised to power px plus n by p integral 0 to infinity x raised to n minus 1 e raised to minus px dx. This is equal to x n by p integral 0 to infinity x raised to n minus 1 e raised to minus px dx, because limit x tending to infinity x raised to n e raised to divided by e raised to power px is equal to 0 when p is greater than 0. So this is equal to n into n minus 1 upon p square integral 0 to infinity x raised to power n minus 2 e raised to minus px dx. P is greater than 0. Repeating the above process, we get it is equal to factorial n upon p raised to power n integral 0 to infinity e raised to minus px dx. This is equal to factorial n upon p raised to power n plus 1 provided p is greater than 0. Therefore, the Laplace transform of x raised to n p is equal to factorial n upon p raised to power n plus 1 provided p is greater than equal to 0 and n is element of n union 0. Remarks. The above result can be generalized for an element of complex numbers and complex p. The general result is Laplace transform of x raised to power rho p is equal to gamma rho plus 1 divided by p raised to power rho plus 1. Real p is greater than 0 and real p plus rho plus 1 should be greater than 0. To derive the formula 1.8.2, we have make use of the well-known Euler's definition for the gamma functions. Taking n is equal to 0 and n is equal to 1 in the result 1.8.1, we get Laplace transform of 1 p is equal to 1 by p is greater than 0, and Laplace transform of t comma p is equal to 1 by p square, p is greater than. Laplace transform of e raised to power ax p. By definition, Laplace transform of e raised to ax p is equal to integral 0 to infinity e raised to minus p minus ax dx. This is equal to minus e raised to power minus p minus ax divided by p minus a limits 0 to infinity for all p greater than a. This is equal to 1 upon p minus a for p greater than a. Thus, Laplace transform of e raised to power ax is equal to 1 upon p minus a for p greater than a. Now, we have to find Laplace transform of e raised to power iota ax. This is equal to, using the above result, we have Laplace transform of e raised to power iota axp is equal to 1 upon p minus iota a. This is equal to p plus iota a divided by p square plus a square. we have multiplied numerator and denominator by p plus iota a. Now we can write e raised to iota ax as cos ax plus iota sin ax. Therefore, Laplace transform of cos ax plus iota sin ax is equal to p upon p square plus a square plus iota a divided by p square plus a square. Comparing real and imaginary parts, we have Laplace transform of cos ax is equal to p upon p square plus a square for p greater than 0. Also, Laplace transform of sin ax is equal to a upon p square plus a square for p greater than 0. Now, Laplace transform of sin hyperbolic ax p. By definition, sin hyperbolic ax is equal to e raised to ax minus e raised to minus ax divided by 2. Therefore, Laplace transform of sin hyperbolic axp is equal to Laplace transform of e raised to ax minus e raised to minus ax by 2 p. This is equal to 1 by 2 Laplace transform of e raised to ax minus 1 by 2 Laplace transform of e raised to minus axp. This is equal to 1 upon 2 1 upon p minus a minus 1 by 2 into 1 by p plus a. Taking LCM, we have this is equal to a divided by p square minus a square for p greater than mod a. Therefore, Laplace transform of sin hyperbolic ax is equal to a upon p square minus a square for p greater than mod a. Similarly, we have Laplace transform of cos hyperbolic ax p is equal to p upon p square minus a square for p greater than mod